Welcome to another thrilling episode of Tech Guide. Remember to subscribe. Starlink is now officially available across Africa, bringing high-speed satellite internet to even the most remote locations. But while it sounds perfect on paper, real-world users are facing serious challenges. In this episode of Tech Guide, we'll explore the top 7 problems Starlink users are reporting across the continent, and what you should know before relying on it full-time. Even though the monthly fee is fairly competitive, the initial cost of getting Starlink remains high. In many African countries, a full setup, including hardware, shipping, and customs, can exceed $800. For most people, that's a significant investment, especially in regions with lower income levels. Power outages remain a common problem in parts of Africa. Since Starlink requires consistent power to operate the dish and router, users in areas with frequent blackouts need a UPS or solar solution, which adds to the total cost. Heavy rain, storms, or dense cloud cover can affect Starlink's performance. While the system is designed to handle various conditions, some users have reported signal drops during bad weather, especially in tropical regions. Starlink needs a clear view of the sky. In cities or tree-covered villages, users often struggle to find a proper spot to mount the dish. Improper mounting or limited line of sight leads to signal drops, lag, or poor speed. Starlink's customer support is online and mostly automated. If something goes wrong, you can't walk into a service center. You'll need to deal with tech issues yourself, which can be frustrating for non-tech users. Plus, getting a replacement part shipped can take weeks. Some users in busy areas have reported slower than expected speeds during peak hours. This is likely due to network congestion as more people get online, especially in countries where Starlink adoption is growing rapidly. Another issue, payment. Many African users can't pay with local mobile money or bank cards. Some rely on friends abroad or third-party agents, which adds risk, delays, or even higher fees. Despite these challenges, Starlink is still a massive upgrade for many areas that previously had little or no internet. But it's not without its flaws. If you faced any of these problems or found a way around them, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more straight-to-the-point tech insights right here on Tech Guide.